198th episode. আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্তা, সংস্কৃতি কলকাতা, কাঁথার এপিসোড। কাঁথা হ্যান্ডওয়ার্ক আমাদের বেঙ্গলের প্রাইড অফ বেঙ্গল। তো আজকে দেখা শুরু করি কাঁথার ওপর। দ্য ফার্স্ট প্রোডাক্ট অফ দিস এপিসোড ইজ আ পিওর সিল্ক কাঁথা। This is a Bangalore silk, 8,800. Exquisite work. Now the silk price have really increased, but we haven't yet increased our rates. Even the GSTs is now 5 to 12% for all garments. So in spite of that, since these were previously we had given for stitching and doing the work, we are giving it at our old rates only. So this is a 3-panel pure silk katha where these two parts are dyed. It's a beautiful shade of peacock blue, sea green and black. So it's a panel katha with all over white embroidery. This is the work in the pallu. Basically it will go throughout and it's got very rich pallu embroidery. Now I'll drape it for you so that you can understand how it's a very heavy quality silk, let me tell you, because I'm holding the product in front of me. These are all heavy quality pure silk with black blouse piece with the border. Whenever you cut the blouse piece, measure 5.5 meters and then cut the blouse. Sometimes the blouse is 30 centimeter, 50, sometimes 1 meter. So please measure 5.5 meters from the pallu part and then cut the blouse piece. This is the achol. What happens is there's shrinkage of fabric when there's so much of stitch. So that's why it's always better, don't go according to the line. Just don't cut off since this color is black and then just don't cut off. Just measure the sari first, 5.5 meters and then cut the blouse piece. 8,800 product number 2. It's in red color with charcoal black combination, pallu with lot of embroidery, beautiful work, and the upper and lower border will have multicolored awesome embroidery. See the work. Our karigars are really very good karigars. You can understand from the work itself. Previous episode katha, not a single piece. I've shown you more than 50 episodes in katha. None of the pieces are available. So you can understand katha is very much in demand. আমাদের কাঁথা প্রচুর বিক্রি করেছি, আমাদের কাঁথার প্রচুর ডিমান্ড। সুতরাং আমাদের কাজটা ভালো, আমাদের কোয়ালিটি ভালো, ওর জন্য হয়তো আপনারা অ্যাপ্রিশিয়েট করেন। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। আমিও চেষ্টা করব টু লিভ আপ টু ইয়োর এক্সপেকটেশন, টু গিভ ইউ দ্য বেস্ট কোয়ালিটি অ্যান্ড দ্য বেস্ট ফিনিশ ইন কাঁথা, not only katha, in all the products whichever I show you. This is a very, as I say, I do not compromise with the quality of the work, with the finish and the fabric. This is the blouse piece, black with the red border. And since kathas are always in demand, the range is also, I've kept very minimum range, all within 10,000 the katha work, so much of embroidery, but as minimum as possible I've kept the range. I'm blessed to have really good karigars who charge as much is required, and you can understand from the rate itself the quality that I give and the finish of the work. It's really reasonable. Product number 298th episode, 8800. Now number 3, 8800. It's a purple color. See the amount of work. Now the silk price is soaring high, and then with the thread, the amount of thread that requires for katha, and then the labor, the polish, the finish, the whole process, and only 8,800 with so much of handwork. So basically this is an all over katha. See, the whole body will have so much of work, multicolored with lots of beautiful color selected. It's a bright color combination in a deep purple shade It's a bluish purple, poppin purple color. With this blouse piece, the blouse piece will have a sleek border, and this is the sari. Can you imagine the amount of work this is? The one who draws the outline, he gets another charge for that. So the whole, it's a lot of people involved to give the best, outcome of the product. See this product number 4, royal blue and red color combination. Really bright color chart today. Many of you were waiting for Katha, and all are not ready. It takes so much of time to do this handwork, and especially the drawing it. I try to, since it's always, I try to do something new work, new embroidery concept, new concept of the whole work, so that takes a lot of time actually. It is, center panel is red, the upper panel is Dudhe Alta red, and the lower panel is royal blue. So it's a 3 color panel embroidery. Closely see the work, how neat each petal, each leaf is filled with thread. See the color difference, now you can understand. This is one shade, center is another shade, that's vermilion, tomato red. The last part is royal blue. So there's 3 parts to the sari. On wearing, it will look really nice. See, and all DT quality silk. This is the blouse piece. Take the screenshot and WhatsApp to any one of the number. Don't contact multiple numbers. Suppose you are wanting this product, just message to any one of the number. Definitely you will get a reply. First come first serve basis, product number 48800. This is the amount of work that is done in this palla part. Today's kathas are really exquisite kathas. Even in store we've received lot of kathas. So those who are in Calcutta, kindly visit both the branches. You will see good collection in the store also. See this mustard golden yellow with very elegant uncommon work in leaf design. It's a 2-tone Bishnupuri silk. Firstly, the color. The color is a very uncommon shade of mustard yellow color. It's a very uncommon shade, let me tell you. And then the work is just an off-white color thread. Single color thread has been used with big leaf work, big leaf in the lower part. The upper part will have sleek narrow border, and the whole sari. It's a very elegant, very uncommon piece, especially the color. See the work, the blouse piece will be like this part, the same sari with the border. This is the blouse piece. Very heavy quality silk. This is now traditional katha. These are everybody loves these, never go out of fashion. This is the very traditional katha, Guriran katha, 7800, same old price, 7800, with all over thread work. And see the concept, the panel work in vertical panel work with zigzag Guriran in one panel and the floral part in the other panel. Those who are blessed with very tall height, very good height, like around 5'7", so they need to attach an extra fabric on the top in case you need. I think for more than 5'7" height, you need to attach a fall on the tuck-in part. Otherwise, it's okay. This is the blouse piece border. It's a dark navy color. Beautiful design and a lot of work. 7800, 7,800 for this dark navy Bishnupuri silk. Those who want to know the quality, because it's all written B silk, maybe Bishnupuri silk, or maybe Bangalore silk also. Sorry, that was Bangalore silk. Sorry. So I will be announcing the silk. If you want to know what silk it is, this is also Bangalore silk. Magenta color Bangalore silk, because we need very short description so that it doesn't cover the whole screen. So in that case, I'll announce what silk it is. If it's tussar, I'll tell you the tussar. What is tussar? Now this is the magenta color, two-tone Bangalore silk with all over, again traditional katha, all handwork. 7800, product number 7800. All over same work throughout the body. With this is the blouse piece. You can go for a bottle green blouse and use the border in case the blouse piece is short, or you can go for a navy blue blouse, will also look good with this. $7800. Clear? Okay, now the next one. Bangalore silk. See the work and the combination. Of course, the combination is a very pretty combination without red, powder blue, broad reverse katha, upper and lower part, and the body is without butta. It's a solid color, natural color. This is the pallu part. Reverse katha, beautiful shade of beige and powder blue. You can wear this for a long time, and in day and evening, both the time, this will really look very nice, this color combination. Even during the day, this will look really pretty. See the work, how closely the embroidery has been done. And lastly, the blouse piece for this particular piece. This is the blouse piece. First of all, these are all single piece and no repetition. One sole cannot be created. Product number 9, and we will not take orders, so kindly don't request for orders. These cannot be recreated anytime. Maybe they keep coming, but very difficult to say when and where. I mean which branch it will come. So it's difficult. So best first come first serve basis. You select from here and select from the recent uploads. There's a Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where the album Katha is also there. You can select from there also. We keep uploading Katha there also in the Facebook page. This is all over Katha work again in Bangalore silk. It's a mustard and mehendi green color combination, body all over work. The border is also in mehendi green and with tassels. 8900. Product number 98900. It's a white color sari, pure Bangalore silk. These are all pure fabric. I do not use art fabric for Katha or any kind of blended fabric. These are all pure fabric. This is the blouse piece. The blouse piece will have both side borders in the sleeves and the back. This is the back and this is both the sleeves. See, it's a white color, beautiful shade. So much of work. These are not ordinary kathas. These are lot of work, lot of embroidery, and I'm giving it at very, very reasonable price. This is only 8900 with border tassel inclusive. So much of beautiful floral work. Coffee color, deep coffee color in Bishnupuri silk. Number 10. This is the term used, cherry booty we say in the katha term. This is cherry booty. This is all over in the center panel and both the side border. Again traditional katha in white, and the body color is a two-tone dark coffee color. It has a texture to give it a beautiful two-tone look, dark chocolate color. And here comes the blouse piece with this. Number 11, red Bangalore silk, red all over work, Poddo Katha, which we say lotus katha, which is very famous katha, and it's always a favorite among all of us. 8900, all over embroidery, product number 11, 8900. Again, let me tell you, we do not use any kind of blended silk, blended products in our katha saris, because either cotton or in pure silk or tussar, because so much of handwork, so much of embroidery, so much of hard work goes into it. We should not compromise with the material. And here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. See the work, lovely shade of red, a deep red with white Poddo Katha all over, and with this also you can go for a green blouse, green, black, any blouse will also look nice if you want to go for contrast. Green blouse with the border, lovely shade. Now the mannequin, she is wearing another gorgeous sari in katha. See the amount of work in the pallu part. 8900 for a Bangalore silk rust color sari with again guri run. See the work, lower part will have very broad work. This is the border work, and this is the sari in the pallu. This is the border work. Lower border will have broader work, the upper part will have a sleeker border. Very broad border, skirt border with big pallu. See the work in the pallu. It has a blouse piece rust color with the border, and we have these kind of silk katha ready-made blouses, sizes till 40, 2650 price, front, back, sleeves, full work. These multicolored katha we have in more colors, more options. You can check out the Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata album designer blouses. This katha blouses are 2650 and this sari is 8900, pure silk katha. And now coming to product number 12. Now these are really lovely pieces. I'll be showing you exclusive katha. These are not regular kathas. These are exclusive katha, but only 8900. Now see the amount of shading that we've done. So interesting, the tie and dye that has been done. First of all, it's a gorgeous fabric, beautiful silk tussar fabric. It's a weaving of silk and tussar. That's why it's giving us such a beautiful glaze. It's a beautiful sheen. It's there. It's in silk and tussar. It's not any synthetic blending. This is silk, pure silk and pure tussar. The border part is a little matte because it's in charcoal black color, grayish black border, and these pastel shades of tie and dye in the center panel. See the pallu. Again, tie and dye, very smart, interesting pallu. Only 8900. We are giving katha at really reasonable price with so much of work, so much of concept, so much of tie and dye. This is the border of the blouse piece. See this also, very elegant. 8900 only, again in tussar. The body is in block print, tussar block. It's a brown color sari, absolutely elegant, very elegant. It's a geometric block print in the body and katha thread work in the border pallu. Katha thread work border pallu in leaf design, that also in self to self. 8900 only, 13, number 13 with center panel block printing. And see the design, how lovely the leaves have been stitched one after the other. It's a very interesting sari, and here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece with this. Each pallu, again I am showing you closely, each pallu, this is so pretty, very interesting, and really a very elegant sari in pure tussar katha. Now coming to Jolchuri katha, another term used for this stitch. $8900 again, 8900 product number 14, 3 color pallu. It's a very concept weave. First of all, the weave itself is very uncommon. The body part will be blue woven, peacock blue floral design. The pleat part is in lavender Jolchuri katha. Again, so it's a partly pallu. The pleat comes in Jolchuri katha, and then again the peacock blue goes around. So it's a partly pallu concept. See the color, peacock blue and lavender with a touch of green in the pallu. Only 8900. This is the round part and blouse lavender. Beautiful sari, beautiful. Vishnupuri silk two-tone product number 15, 8800. Hibiscus. two-tone, royal blue purple short color, two-tone with hibiscus embroidery. See the prominent work. Today, if you are selecting, kindly, because these are really exclusive Katha, I wanted to show you the year end, the last few weeks, just last few days before the new year. So I wanted to show you really exclusive Katha. So kindly give me options in case this is sold out. You can always have an option of a second piece. This is a heavy quality Bishnupuri silk with again beautiful embroidery, and see the color that they have selected. It's totally their credit. This is their design, my Karigar's design, and his color selection. I just selected the fabric. This is the blouse piece border. Lovely, isn't it? This fabric I had given him just before the Bengali New Year. So during March I had given him this fabric. So it's come finally. All the still pictures you can check out our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. The link is provided in exclusive Katha album. There's also the album Nokshi and Reverse Katha, Bangalore Silk Katha. All these, there's the album done. So you can check out if you want to see the still pictures of this. Also our WhatsApp status 7603042696. There's the other Airtel number that is also going. You can check out that number status also. In case of phone calls, you can call up the 983 number. 7603042696 is only for messages, for WhatsApping and for inquiries and bookings. You will get reply even if it takes a bit of time, because sometimes I'm shooting and all, I always don't get the time to reply. But you will definitely get the answer. This is in pure tussar again, tussar with multicolor thread work, very traditional, neat finish, very always in fashion, because this is first of all it's a pure tussar fabric, and then the color that has been used in multicolor threads with all over very pretty work. And see the alternate colors in the paisley border. Throughout similar, and the blouse piece. Very interesting. Here is the pallu for you. This is 9500 in Desi Tussar or Gachi Tussar. Gachi Tussar 9500. Number 17, Reverse Katha 9200, Reverse Katha, Rose embroidery, Gachi Tussar, Reverse Katha. Little away from the typical red black combination. This is in royal blue, deep royal blue and black color combination. Achol, lovely roses. It's a light color sari. The blouse piece we've given lot of work with the full 2 sleeves and the blouse piece also with work. This is the back side of the blouse with work. Bird Katha Desi Tussar 9800, 9800. See, it's in the deeper since the Desi Tussar colors are slightly darker color, this natural color itself is a very pretty color. That's why usually I do not dye the Desi Tussar. Usually it's I keep the natural color. It's beautiful, and on top of that, the black and white embroidery really stands out with the birds and all these things. The bird katha all over. See, you can do a black border or a red border also, black or red border throughout the side if you want, with tassels. 300 rupees extra, but we need 2 weeks extra for the time for that if needed, if you need. Otherwise this also, it's looking very pretty. See the work, it's in all over work. You can wear a black raw silk blouse with the border also to look very pretty, or else this sari itself is a gorgeous one, a very unique one. Number 19, multicolored tussar, Desi tussar, all over work. See the amount of work. This is exquisite, extraordinary embroidery in variety of shapes and sizes in paisley with multicolors, with lemon and purple dominant. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. We are a 26-year-old brand in Kolkata itself. Sundays we are closed. Monday to Saturday we are open every day, 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. This is the blouse piece. Again another Desi tussar. I had worn a similar type katha in one of the previous episode. It's a gorgeous Desi tussar multicolored katha. In fact, while showing, I was just thinking of, you can make it as, you know, wall hangings for, you can cut, if your husband wife can make a jacket out of this, a blouse and a jacket, you know, it's a beautiful sari actually. And these are never, Desi tussar and these kind of handwork saris, they are never out of fashion. So when you will get, if you ever get bored of wearing this over the years, you can always have multiple uses of this. Generation wise you can wear this. This is the blouse piece. #21, again Desi tussar 9800, reverse katha with applique. Sorry, this is not reverse katha, this is normal katha with applique work. See the prominent work. I was seeing from the back, I couldn't see the front. So yeah, it's katha. See the rich embroidery, and this is applique, this is machine applique, and this is katha border. Both sides, a lovely piece, it's a beautiful piece, and this is the pallu. All are in Desi tussar. See the work, so prominent. Blouse piece. Now I'll be showing you something which you have been inquiring for a long time. Few episodes ago in Katha, I showed you one piece only in this tie and dye concept. Tie and dye multicolored Katha. Wow. So there was so much in demand. Even I think yesterday or day before yesterday, I had a same request for that sari. It's been rotating quite a few times in inquiries. So those who are really interested, so you can check out this. I'll be showing you many color concepts and options for you to select in this tie and dye Katha. See the panel multicolor, and such beautiful work with zari border. Achol. Blouse piece. See the pallu part. See the pallu, what rich work. Village motif designs in the pallu, and throughout will have panel embroidery with tie and dye. Now check out the colors. That was rust prominent, the rust was more in that. Now this is, see the sari. Half sari, it has no border. Exquisite piece, product number 23. Can you imagine the amount of work and the color? Every 6 inches or every, I think, 5 inches, there's one color, different color, and each color is blending so well with the previous color. So half the sari without border is throughout tie and dye panel with Katha. Now from the pleats come this part, the turquoise blue part. So half will be in panel stripes, the rest will be in tussar. These are all tussar, these are all tussars, and the whole border will be in work with buta, and the blouse piece will be again in turquoise. Since your body is in multi, this is the blouse piece. Once again, if you want to see, borderless tussar Katha. Again coming back to 9500 tie and dye. This is purple dominant, pallu, solid color, zari border, body, tie and dye. And imagine the amount of work. This is, see closely the work. Each design, each panel is different. Very interesting, and the whole process, one wrong color you put, the whole sari will look awful. But this, with so many colors that we've put, and then with this get-ups being so beautiful, this is both the blouse piece, sleeves and back. Actually all the colors are so gorgeous and rich. Minimum jewelry, wear minimum jewelry with this, let the sari speak for itself. Another beauty. First see the pallu, 25, product number 25. All the shades are different, the blouse piece, the work will be different, though these are all in multicolor shades, but the work and the design and the blouse, like this has the black blouse. Of course, the back part will also be the same work. Now this is the sari. Kindly give me options. And please take a minute to like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information. Press the bell icon, you can get the information whenever we are uploading a new video. Very unusual katha, very unusual and very such work, especially the tie and dye person charges a bomb, but I wouldn't say bomb because according to the concept and the number of colors he is using and such neat dyeing, it's really gorgeous, and the work that has been done by the karigars, the whole concept, the whole this thing is so pretty, and these are all best quality desi tussar. Otherwise such gorgeous colors wouldn't come. Blouse piece, black and orange. The dyeing charges actually depends on the number of colors we use. So even though if it's 6 inches panel, they'll charge the same price for a whole sari. So it's that way, they charge according to the colors. $27. I'm sure you're having a great time watching this. So many colors, such vibrant, beautiful colors, and in handwork, in pure fabric. So I think your mood will be really very happy to see such lovely colors and concepts. So those who are watching, please do comment if you're liking the products. Any scope of improvement is also acceptable. Please do share. And this is the blouse piece. Pallu, beautiful figure pallu, villager pallu. The designs are all villager concept. Beautiful sari, beautiful. The color combination. In between, let me show you the mannequin. This is a suit piece, full tussar suit piece in katha. The kurta is fully in katha work. The back side will be plain. This is a bluish grey color with peach embroidery, coral thread work throughout the kurta. The dupatta will also be in tussar with buttas. Full length dupatta, full length kurta with all over work, and this is the bottom. This is the bottom. 6990 is for the whole set. 6,990 rupees is for the whole set. It's in pure tussar katha. And the last piece, 28. This is without zari border, but this is another tie and dye desi tussar katha. Turquoise with such beautiful shades. Center panel, see the work in the border, very prominent, neat work. Achol, best quality desi tussar with concept, with so much of work, and all within this range. This is the blouse piece. Now the pallu. See the pallu part. $9,500. Lastly, the one that I am wearing, it's again in tussar. It's a woven tussar. This is textured and this is the plain color. We have dyed it in between and then done panel embroidery in between the stripes. This part, tussar part, we've just left it. This is the pallu, and it will have this blouse piece also. Price of this is 9,500. 9,500. The neck piece that I am wearing, chunky big stone neck piece with earring. It has matching earring. It's 2,200 set. 2,200 is for the set. It's heavy quality and stones are a bit heavy. 2,200 set, and since it's gold mustard color, it goes with a lot of saris. You can pair it with mix and match with a lot of colors. And this is the pallu once again, 9,500 for the sari. And the bangle, it's a bracelet, you can open it, it's screw system, 1,900. So that's it in Katha today. Thank you so much for watching.